apiculture. What is this? This is honey. Let's look at the journey of a honeybee to the honey that we obtain. Rearing honeybees for the commercial production of honey is called apiculture or beekeeping. This is an apiary, a place where beehives are kept for collecting honey. Look at these wooden boxes stacked one on top of the other. They have wooden frames on which bees can make their combs. This is a colony, a group of honeybees that live in a beehive. 3 types of bees live here: a single female queen bee, a few male drones, and thousands of sterile workers. The workers make honey and help in pollination. Worker bees are attracted to bright and colorful flowers. They contain a lot of nectar. Bees fly among the flowers, collect pollen and nectar from them. In the process, they help in pollination by transferring pollen to the pistil. Bees convert the nectar collected from flowers into honey by regurgitation and evaporation. Honey is a thick, sweet and golden-colored liquid. It is stored in small hexagonal cells called honeycombs within the beehive. They are made of a waxy substance called beeswax. Now let us collect the honey. The beehive is cleared of bees by smoking the hive. The hives are emptied and centrifuged to separate honey from the beeswax. The leftover beehives are cut out by a sharp knife. Honey is used as a natural sweetener in medicines and as food supplements. Beeswax is used in polishes and for making cosmetic items. The glands of worker bees form royal jelly, which is used as a cosmetic and an important food supplement. This is the journey of a honeybee to the honey that we obtain. Visit an apiculture farm and learn how bees are reared and how honey is produced.